Welcome back to your favorite videos on YouTube. Here we are back with Autodesk Inventor doing the parametric curve. And so here's the goal. We're going to draw the curve again. We're going to do it parametrically so that we can change dimensions here. It won't respond. Oh no, maybe this is the wrong version. It can be difficult to set this up. So I think this version here, I tried to do it to my original drawing, and I had this issue. However, this version here I drew brand new using parameters, and it's functioning much better. So we can see I can set up a little this drop menu and change the dimensions to double the size, or normal size, or half size, or again double size, or regular size. Okay, that's our goal. Here we go. I'm going to click done here. I'm going to file. I'm going to create a new part, and I'm going to go right into management and parameters, and I'm going to add a numeric parameter, and we're going to call this parameter X. Okay, and X is going to have some values. I'm going to make it a multi-value, so I'm going to give it a 2 and add that in, and I'm also going to give it a 0.5 and add that in, and I'm going to hit OK. And now I can click here and I can change X to what I want it to be, 2 or whatever. And I'm going to say done. Okay, and I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the XY plane. Okay, and I'm drawing the curve. Okay, but instead of drawing it with numbers, I'm going to use the function that I created with X. So let me bring in the drawing to show you what I'm doing. So we're doing the parametric curve. Okay, and we've already made the curve a few times, but we're going to draw it again. I don't know why the image isn't loading. I'm pretty sure there's an image here. There it is. Okay, so we're 21 wide and 8 tall. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, but I'm going to do not just 21. I'm going to do X times 21, and I'm going to make this one X times 8. All right, and I think right now my parameter is set to 2, so I'm just going to move it to 1 for now. Okay, all right, and then now we don't want to delete these measurements this time, because then they'll leave our table. Okay, I'm going to keep doing that. We're going to sketch, and I'm going to go up 5 and over 5, but not 5. I'm going to do X times 5, tab, X times 5, enter, like that. Then I'm going to create a circle that is X times 5. And this won't work unless I create X first, like I did. So X times 5. And I'll do another one that is x times 10. Okay, now I'm going to create a line, and this line is going to go up x times 4. And now I'm going to have this line here that is tangent. So I can just click here, and now I can click on tangent, the line, the circle. Now it's tangent. Okay, now I'm going to do another rectangle, and it's going to go here, and this will be x times 5 and x times 5 for both. All right. Now I'm going to make that opening, which is going to be, it's going to be x times 4 tab x times 5. Whoops, and I made that a capital X accidentally, times 5. And there it is. All right. I believe I can finish the sketch now. I can extrude this portion and this portion 21. And then, but we're going to do x times 21. And then I'm going to add, and let's get a better view here, this, this, and that are all going to be x times 5, like that. Okay, now we're going to start a 2D sketch here, and we're going to create a line. It's going to go this way, and it's going to be x times 8. And it doesn't like that. So I'm just going to create it as 8. So 8. And then I'm going to draw the line down here to this corner, back up, over, and finish. And I'm going to extrude, where's my mouse? I think extrude. I'm going to go back through all and hit OK. All right. So now, when I go to Manage in Parameters, and let me make this so we can see it. And so now when I change this to 0.5, it shrinks. When I change it to 2, when I change it back to 1, and that's how you turn this in. You're going to take a screenshot of this table and have your picture right beside it like I have, and you'll turn in 3 pictures, one that's double, one that's half, and one that's the regular. All right, good luck. See you at the next video.